Welcome to this How to Victor Nivo tutorial that will guide you step by step in creating a double-strand DNA quantification protocol. Do not hesitate to pause between the different steps. First, create your protocol, name it, and then choose the plate format. Here it's a 96 Wells plate. And then a compatible plate with absorbance. Here it's the Revity Spectra plate. Then click on Define Sample, clear all the plate, and then start defining first your standard, the different concentrations. This will help you create a standard curve later. Once done, select the wells and click on the standard. Once done, select the blank wells for your controls. And finally, select the wells for your samples. Then move to Parameters. Then look for Absorbance. Here the Victor Nivo is equipped with a spectrometer. So we'll define first the bandwidth with 10 nanometer. And then the central wavelength, which is in our case 230, 260, and 280. Once done, go to Available Calculation and add General Calculation. First, we're going to define the ratio 260 by 230. This will help detect chemical contamination. Then we'll define the second ratio, which is the 260 by 280, which will help us find out if there is protein contamination. Then we'll add a blank correction to subtract the blank from the 260 nanometer signal. And then we will add the conversion value for double-strand DNA, which is 50. Adapt this ratio depending if it's double-stranded or single-stranded or RNA. And we'll use this to calculate the concentration. And finally, we'll add a standard curve. Using, of course, the blank corrected. For the final step, we need to determine the path length by clicking on Enable Path Length Correction and Measure Path Length. Select the blanks and then click on Next, open the tray, add your plate, close the tray, and then click on Next. This will calculate automatically the path lengths, adequate path lengths. Here it's defined as 288. Once that is done, you're ready. You can save your protocol and run your measurement. Once done, you have your values. You can export them either on Excel sheet, as it is here. You also have the option to export it as PDF report, including the standard curve and the different calculations. Thank you for watching.